Hello, welcome to this Learn Anyone channel. So, if you are a beginner, fresher, or professionals, okay, so today I am going to tell you how to first log in SAP BW HANA and ECC. Okay, I am going to give a complete tutorial here, step by steps, how to log in into BW HANA and how to log in into ECC and how to connect each other and how to transport. Okay, and everything will show you that RFC connection and all. So this session is very helpful if you are a BW consultant or any consultant want to learn the BW and all. So this practical will help you how to improve yourself in the case of if you are a BW, and how it will be very helpful to practice BW, applications or BW sessions. Okay, so let's go ahead. So this is in the SAP remote server. You can see we will have a SAP logon. So just click on SAP logon. Once you click, you will see here under GUI you will have one option called BW on HANA. So just double click on this. So this session is very helpful to practice BW on HANA or BW, right? So here I am going to user ID and password, because already has given uh, the client 001. Okay, and let's see, here I am putting the password. Yes, and English, that is by default en. Okay, now this is the initial icon for SAP BW. Okay, you can see the left panel, you will have a favorite SAP menu and all, right? All the applications menu would be available. If you want to do changes on this favorite, you can do it. If you want to do some insertion or anything, okay, your folder you can insert. Let's see, I'm going to insert here. See, new folder. If you want to do some deletion or insert some code, let's see, RSA1. Okay, I want because it's a basic T code. See, modeling data warehouse workbench. So this is the modeling one. So you can directly open here through a favorite, through this transaction code, right? Or you can use their command prompt to go into the system. So this is how, and this is a toolbar completely. Okay, so now this is, we have some find button and more find, and you have to, this is the one button called log off. If you click here, it will be log off, and completely we will have here sessions, new sessions. If you want to go in the maximum 6 session would be there, right? So now here we will have a customize options. If you want to customize, let's see, on this you can do it. Let's see, you can design a theme setting, font setting, whatever setting you currently it was a signature theme, you want to change, you can do change depend upon your requirement. So any changes happened. Okay, I'm not going to change here. So these are the things basically we have as a beginning. Okay, and you can see the menu, edit, favorite, so many things are there. So day by day you will have a comfortable with this BW system. So initial T code is, that is called initial T code is a RSA1, that is modeling. Okay, see, if I'm going to here and it is opening. So before going to here, okay, I would like to show one more thing. If you go to the system here, right, say, even you can go to the system here, under system and status, means is this really BW system or just another system. So make sure here we will have options here, right? So you can see here this is a HANA database. See, database is HANA database, right? We will have a host here, Linux, and all the SAP data, system data, everything is there. Okay, now if you want to more detail about this BW, you can see here, you will see here the what are the product basically installed over here. See here what are the install basically. See, 7.5 BW 7.5 version would be installed here, and more component you can see over there. So this is basically we will have a things which is over here, right? So this is the basically we will have a complete things. Okay, so this is basically we will have right. So let's see, this is the basic things. Okay, now as per your requirement, in the left panel and the modeling you will have a info provider, info object. So depend upon your requirement, okay, you can search it over here. If you want to search any objects, which is very easy here, go to find here and you can search over here, right? See, which is very easy, okay, like zero material if you want to find here. See, and I don't want to all, okay, if you want to all, so it will search and it will take time. So if you relevant things, okay, you can have a relevant, let's see, I don't want all, I want an info object or something. See, info area, you can click here, so it will go for the specific info area and it will give the detail. So this is how, yes, see, it is not available kind of something. So or something you have missing or not material something or something is, it is technical norm is, see here, let me try or let me all. So click here all objects, so it will help to all the system, it will checking zero material is available or not, right? So it is checking, so it is too it's taking too much time because see, it is so many is there, right? So that's the reason. See, data source, DTP, so many things are there. Similarly, we will have so many like data source, even you can see the source system, right? Under source system, you will see here, if you click the source system, you can see so many source system here. BW itself is a source system. ECC, I'm going to teach you this as well, how to connect ECC. See, already is connected. How to verify the RFC connection is okay, just right click over here on this one, uh, let's see, okay, it is, or just I just double click on this, so no need to double click, you just source system, it is okay, and go to the source system and right click over here, or yes, see, you can check the source here, check. So that means the ECC is connected or not. See, it is not connected, something, some issue is there, so we will inform the basis persons to connect the RFC, so it will help to transfer the data from ECC to BW. So these are the basic things, okay, and so many options, modeling, administration, document, BI. So these are the bigger things, it is not over in one day or one sessions, okay. So this is how I'm going to show you, okay. And apart from that, another session, another like a system that is called ECC, okay. So if you go here in ECC, click over here, and I'm going to here, okay, and let's see, I'm going to, yes, login into ECC, you can see it is license expiring in, no issue, you can ignore this one, okay. Now let's see, I'm going to ECC like SC11. So ECC, we have a table, right? So you can check Mara table and all. So this is how we are checking, okay. And so many things are there, okay. And let's see, if you want to check the particular, let's say data is, you can want to check, see, so many data are available. So this is a standard table, okay, we are checking the data over, and we have so many T codes are there, right? As a BW consultant, you will have RSA 2, you will have RSA 3, RSA 5, RSA 7, so many things are there. Let's see, if you want to more like RSA 2, okay, let's see, this is for the data source, okay. So anything like data source, so many options are there, okay. Apart from that, we will have a RSA 3 as well to extract checker, right? You can check the data. Even most important, that is, we will have, that is a delta Q, okay, which is mode RSA 7. So these are the basic things, okay. I mean, you can go through, let's see, I'll show you RSA 7. So these are the basics RSA 7. Yes, so see, currently is not available, no, there is no any transfer is going on, so this is the here a blank, okay. So if it is delta already schedule, so you will all see the data source over here. So this is how basically connected ECC6 system to BW system, BW HANA system, okay. So complete, we will have it. Apart from that, sometimes you will have a HANA studio, right? Sometimes your object like calculation view and all, you will have created over HANA view. So you can have here, you can see my last video, okay. I mean, you will have how to install and all would be there, right? So this is how we are going to teach you the demonstration, how basically the consultant are working. And if you are a fresher, beginner, and you know that professional, you want to build your career in this BW warehouse technology, so definitely you can go ahead. It is very interesting and very, I mean, you know that is um, career oriented things, okay, and future it is very bright. So currently we have so many like latest technologies like data sphere and BDC and all, right? So we will go to depth later, okay? So this is that's it for all, okay? If in case any query questions, please ping and subscribe this channel. Definitely you can share with this video with your friend, and in case if you have any questions, please mail us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.